Creating a white border around a picture in Canva is simple, and here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open Canva and upload your image. Now navigate to elements that you will find in the left-hand side of the screen. Between the design and text, tap on it, go for frames, and select either a rectangular or circular frame. Drag and drop your image into the frame to fit it. To add a white border, click on the frame and adjust the border weight in the toolbar above, or you can set the border color to white and adjust the image inside the border of this frame. You can also use shapes as border. Go to Elements, then go to Shapes, select a rectangular or square, position the shape behind your image using the Position tool, click on these three dots, and then click on Layer and click on Stain Backward. Again, resize it. Now change this color to white. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.